Sesame Street TV special. Sesame Street will have a TV special. This TV special will be on TV April 14th. Sesame Street characters will be on the TV special. These characters include Elmo, Grover, Cookie Monster, and Abby Cadabby. The TV special is called Sesame Street Elmo's Playdate. Check your TV's listing for times and channels. Famous people will be on the TV special too. The famous people include actors and singers. The characters and famous people have fun together. They sing songs and play games together. The fun TV special can help people feel less stress. What will Sesame Street have on April 14th? Cartoon show, commercial, TV special.
TV special. TV special.
Who is a Sesame Street character? Tin Man, Robin Hood, Elmo.
Elmo. Elmo.
What will the characters and famous people do together? Play games, cut hair, run.
Play games.